Latvia's Family Visa. Moving to Europe doesn't mean leaving your family behind. Latvia helps keep your loved ones close. If you're a professional or student aged 30-40, Latvia's Family Visa keeps your loved ones by your side in Europe. Who qualifies as family? Latvia allows your spouse and dependent children to join your EU journey. Dependent children typically include those under 18 or older if still studying and dependent on you. In certain cases, dependent parents may also qualify, depending on household circumstances. Start your application by gathering documents, proof of relationship, valid passports, and financial support evidence. Submit your family's application at a Latvian embassy or consulate in your current country of residence. Most dependents will need to provide fingerprints and have their documents checked in person as part of the process. After submitting, you'll receive official notification from Latvian authorities on the progress of your family's application. Family visa approval includes access to Latvia's healthcare system, ensuring your loved one's health needs are covered. Your children can enroll in quality Latvian schools, giving them new educational opportunities in the EU. Educational benefits mean your children, no matter their age, can join you on this new journey and thrive. Processing times vary, but you can typically expect a decision on your family's application within a few months. Latvia supports immigrant families by offering comfort, stability, and access to essential services once you arrive. Latvia is family-friendly for immigrants. Subscribe for more family visa breakdowns and tips for moving together.